today we are making quick Mexican black beans. It's easy to make, it's pretty quick. You probably have the ingredients in your pantry already. Wow, it is so good. Try it, you're gonna love it. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making quick Mexican black beans. I love this recipe. It's easy to make, it's pretty quick, and I usually have all the ingredients on hand. You don't need any fresh ingredients, so if you haven't been to the store in a while, this is a good recipe to make. So the ingredients in this recipe are olive oil, minced garlic, taco seasoning, onion powder, canned, rinsed and drained black beans, canned diced tomatoes, kosher salt, and that's it. So the first thing that we need to do is heat the oil in a skillet or a pan over medium-low heat. So 1 teaspoon of olive oil, or you could use a different oil that you like to saute with. We'll just heat that up. It's pretty hot, so we're going to go ahead and add our minced garlic. 2 to 3 teaspoons, and I love garlic, so I'm going to put 3. So you could use already prepared garlic, or you could mince your own. 3 to 4 teaspoons of taco seasoning. This is homemade taco seasoning. I have a recipe for that if you want to check it out. Otherwise, you can use packaged taco seasoning. 3 to 4 teaspoons to your taste. I'm going to use 3.5. Next, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. So we're just going to stir this around for a minute or two. I think I'll turn the heat down. Just keep stirring. Okay, that's been about a minute. Next, I'm going to add 2 15.5-ounce cans of black beans, rinse and drain them, then go ahead and add them. Then a 15.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes with the juice. Stir that together. Then stir in your salt, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. I'm just going to put 1/4, a little bit more than 1/4 now, and then I'll taste it at the end if I want to add more salt then. It depends how much salt is in your taco seasoning and to your taste. Stir that up. Now go ahead and increase the heat to medium. We're going to simmer this about 7 to 10 minutes until the liquid is absorbed and the beans are as tender as you like. If you like softer beans, cook them longer. And if you run out of liquid before the beans are as soft as you like, you could add a little bit of water. And stir them occasionally. I'll keep an eye on it and we'll be back. Okay, all the water is absorbed. I'm turning the heat off and it's finished. That easy. So first I'm going to go ahead and try a bite, see if I need to add any more salt. I think I'll just add a little more salt. Wow, it is so good. I can't believe how good it is. And it was so easy to make. I'm always surprised when I make this. You're going to love it, I think. So you can serve this in tacos, on burritos, in enchiladas, with chips. I've got some rice, so I'm going to serve some on rice. Also, if you would like, top with a little chopped cilantro. That's optional. All right, going to try it now. This is so good. Also, like I said, try it with chips. It's a good bean dip. You can use salsa, sour cream, guacamole, add some other toppings. Try it. I think you're going to love it. See you in the next lesson.